Hello everyone, and welcome back to Terem Beads and Crafts. Today I'm super excited to show you how to create a gorgeous teardrop fascinator with a touch of bling. It's the perfect accessory to add a bit of glamour to any outfit. So to start off, I created a fascinator base using a pad, blocked a teardrop fascinator mold and secured it with thumb pins. Once the pad dried, I trimmed away the excess material to get a clean shape. Measure the heart wire according to the dimension of the teardrop mold. Bend it at an angle, then join the two ends together and you've got a teardrop shape. To ensure it stays in place, fasten the wire with a bit of thread, then carefully insert it into the fascinator. This gives our fascinator a beautiful structure. Next, using the UHU adhesive, glue the material over the top of the fascinator, ensuring a smooth and polished finish. Then, to give it that extra flair, cover the edge with a beautiful bias ribbon. Now it's time to add some bling. I'm using these gorgeous 5mm crystal flat back rhinestone gems to create a dazzling effect. Trust me, this step really takes your fascinator to the next level. Carefully and patiently attach the gems to the top of the fascinator. This technique can be applied to any fascinator shape, whether it's the classic round fascinator or a unique shape. You can customize it to your liking. For instance, if you're working with a round fascinator, match the color of the base with the color of the gems you will be using. And speaking of gems, let's get creative. You can also use multicolored gems or even attach a coiled spine for that extra embellishment. Before we wrap up, here's a practical tip for wearing your fascinator. Apply a line of glue to a crocodile clip and place it strategically at the side of the fascinator. This not only adds a stylish touch but also makes it easy to wear. Simply clip it into your hair and you're ready to turn heads at any event. Check out our stunning Teardrop Fascinator with just the right amount of sparkle. It's perfect for weddings, parties, or whenever you want to make a statement. I hope you enjoyed this DIY fascinator tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more crafty content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy crafting.